Binigyan ng isang linggo si Janet Lim Napoles para makumbinsi ang korte na huwag tuluyang pigilin ang galaw ng lahat ng kanyang pera at ari-arian. Epektibo ng 20 araw ang pinataw na Provisional Asset Preservation Order o PAPO sa assets ni Napoles. Pero posibleng gawin itong Asset Preservation Order o APO na magtatagal ng mas mahabang panahon at posibleng hanggang sa matapos ang kaso sa korte. Sakop ng order ang lahat ng pera sa bangko ni Napoles, pati na kanyang asawa at anak at 2 kapatid.
That's unfortunate for her, but maybe there are other well-meaning relatives who can really will go out of their way to give her financial aid.
We need the APO to continue preserving these assets. Right now, I don't have a specific number. It's in our petition. It's voluminous.